does our food come from? You may have asked yourself that question while wandering the grocery aisles. Well, where does our food come from? It's an important question because knowing the origins of your food can help you make better decisions about nutrition and the environment. That's why we see a rising interest in farm-to-table restaurants and markets in Minnesota. At Streblow Family Farms, the Streblow family is committed to sustainable farming and provides eggs, chicken, and other meats to their farm-to-table business. And today I'm happy to be with Joshua Streblow, who along with his wife Randy and family run the farm and Carl's Bakery in Granite Falls, to tell us why they think farm-to-table options are important for families and nutrition.
Farm-to-table for us is a way of life. It is a way of tending to what we partake of as a family from our land, and then being able to share the excess of that with those whom we live among.
It's also more than nutrition. Farm-to-table products have some environmental advantages as well.
Farm-to-table encourages small stakeholders or small landholders to carefully tend to and steward the resources that they have in order that they can produce the highest quality production. And because it is intimate, then they can respond to it with the kind of care that only a small stakeholder can do.
Another advantage is farm-to-table supports the local economy and local farmers.
Minnesota's economy is not some giant entity. It is a collection of small inputs that come from individuals and communities. And farm-to-table as a way of life encourages local production, which means you're sourcing local, you are outputting that same production into that local sphere, and the strength of that provides a strength to the whole of the economy of Minnesota.
So the next time you're in the Minnesota River Valley, stop on in to Carl's Bakery for your selection of locally raised meat and eggs. And while you're at it, pick up some sweet treats with your order. And if you'd like to learn more about farm-to-table products and local food farms in your area, go to minnesotagrown.com for more information.